Smartphones, tablets, and gadgets. They are revolutionizing convenience and changing our lives for the better. Until they run out of battery. Power banks can give you some extra juice on the go, as long as you pack those annoying external cables. One cable to charge your smartphone and another to charge your power bank. Wires inevitably end up tangled, and sharp cable ends have a tendency to scratch your things. Power banks belong in your pocket alongside your smartphone, but this is rarely possible. It's time for a change. Meet Ample, the first power bank to offer a customized selection of integrated cables. We've combined a revolutionary cable system with an ultra-slim design, so you can charge your smartphone from your pocket instead of your backpack. Ample is like the Swiss Army knife of power banks. With one USB-C input port, 2 integrated cables attaching via USB-C and traditional USB-A, charge your smartphone or digital device to 100%, then top up your power bank. Ample is scratch-resistant and ultra-slim, with dimensions that mirror your smartphone. A fumble-free design provides easy access to the cables you need. Aesthetics, versatility, and power combined. Ample has enough capacity
Imagine cutting-edge AI technology and remarkable professional features packed into a unique pocket-sized drone. Introducing Mark, the world's first drone positioned by visual inertial odometry. Constituted of a fisheye camera and a GPU-based mapping module, the VIO helps Mark locate itself based on position relative to its surrounding, realizing true autonomous flying. Mark sees the environment around it to allow for easy control and seamless flying, whether you are outdoors or in. It also records the trajectory wherever it flies, whether through the app or by hand. Mark can follow recorded trajectory and fly automatically. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon platform, providing all the power of a bigger drone with all the convenience of a smaller package. And it's so small, it can fold into a pocket or purse. Mark is easy to operate straight out of the box. No need for calibration or satellite connection. Mark is packed with unique features. It can track subjects automatically, take off and land with voice control, your most memorable moments entirely in 4K. High-grade Mark.
If you're watching this video, you probably have a sweet pair of Bluetooth headphones. And everyone's favorite on-the-go console, the Nintendo Switch. If I'm right, you're probably even wishing they'd work together. This is GENKI, and it's about to make that wish come true. GENKI simply brings Bluetooth audio to the Nintendo Switch. Not convinced? Let me give you 3 more reasons. First off, it's designed just for the Switch. Check out how it works. And just like that, you've got an upgraded Nintendo Switch. Press a button and you're listening to the sweet tunes of Mario on your favorite Bluetooth headphones. Whether you're just chilling at home, slaying moblins, or making your daily commute through New Donk City, or even just killing time at work jumping between barrels. Hey, we won't judge. It's even designed to look like your Joy-Cons, so you know it's good quality. Secondly, GENKI lets you pair up to 2 headsets so you can share the fun. Just pair a second headphone like you did with the first. And you can throw banana peels at that friend you've been secretly checking out. Or play another round of tennis with that colleague whose name you always seem to forget. And finally, even defeat that hairy Canadian with the Pro Controller. And third, we put some serious tech for you to geek out on. Check out this sweet rendering our designer made. GENKI uses very low power through the USB-C port without ever needing a charge. The latest Bluetooth is compatible with all your audio devices at a range further than you'll ever need. We've licensed the best audio codecs so you won't have to ever worry about lag. You can even pair a better speaker, so go ahead. You can continue playing late into the night without disturbing others at home. Or not. Hey, thanks for making it to the end of the video. We got everything in place for production, and we need your support to get to the next stage. We put together some pledge options below, and with that, we should be able to get GENKI into your Nintendo Switch by the end of summer. Thank you for your support.